A loop which iterates for a finite number of iterations is termed as a finite loop. All the loops we have seen so far are examples of finite loops. A loop which continues iterating indefinitely and never stops is termed as an infinite loop. We briefly looked at infinite loops using for statement in the for loop variations chapter. Now we will discuss infinite loops in depth. A loop becomes an infinite loop when its condition always evaluates to true. So, the simplest ways to create infinite loops using the three looping constructs of Java are like this. As we saw in the for loop variations chapter, if we don't specify a condition in for loop, Java assumes it to be always true. Let me quickly execute one of them and show you in BlueJ. As you can see, this loop iterates forever as its condition is always true. To stop it, I will restart the JVM using this button. By now, you might wonder that is there any practical use of an infinite loop? After all, it just continues running endlessly. In most practical use cases of infinite loops, break statement handles termination of the loop when the required condition is met. Let's see an example where such an infinite loop might be helpful. This program keeps on asking the user to enter a number and displays its sum of digits until the user enters a number whose sum of digits is equal to 9. Let me execute it and show you it's working. Then we will look at its code. It starts by asking for a number. I will give 52. It displays the sum of digits as 7, says loop will continue, and again asks to input a number. I will give 645 this time. It will continue like this. If I enter a number whose sum of digits is 9, like 72, the loop stops. Now that you are clear with what this program does, let's look at its code to understand how it does it. This is our infinite while loop, which continuously keeps asking the user to enter a number. Inside the loop, we calculate the sum of digits of the number and display it. If the sum is equal to 9, we tell the user that the loop will stop now and execute the break statement to end the loop. Otherwise, we tell the user that the loop will continue and it keeps on iterating. That's a relatively simpler application of an infinite loop where we terminate the loop based on some special termination condition.